This video is a series of videos on paragraph elements. To learn more about paragraphs, visit sdstate.edu How To under Adding Page Paragraphs. In this video, we'll cover the text block paragraph. A text block is useful in cases where you want to keep content, text, and images contained into one block. Oftentimes, when you're using like the formatted text block and you have a series of items that need to be contained within each other, they won't stay that way. The text will wrap up. So here's an example of that. We have this text block. Now I created two formatted text blocks here, but the image and the text, this text goes with this image, and then this text goes with this image. And the further down you go, you start losing the continuity between the image and the text it belongs to. The text block comes in handy to solve this problem. It will keep the image and the text nested together. Other features that text blocks comes with as well is it comes with the ability to put a background color on that text block. So you can put a gray background. There's also a light blue background you can add. In addition to that, you also have the ability to make a fluid columns of text. That shouldn't be confused with columns paragraph, which we'll cover in a different video. The columns paragraph element will stay in this column, and text will stay in this column, and this image will stay in this column. With the text block, the text actually flows. So if I shrink this down, it goes from a 4-column, and you'll notice how the text just kind of flows, and it changes, the columns change. It's a fluid column, whereas the columns, the content stays within that column no matter what. So how do we create a text block? So I have a page here. We'll just go into Edit, scroll down to Page Paragraphs, and then click Add Paragraph. And then we'll select Text Block. So we see we have fields now for a heading, a subhead, body field, and then we have some styling features, one for the number of columns and another for the background. If we want, we could just work with the body field and just put stuff in the body field. That's what I did with the examples earlier. But we also have the option of having a heading in here. So I'll just put some text in. I'll just grab some text here, subhead, just so you can see that. And then I will save, and we'll see what that looks like. And so this is our heading, this is our subhead, and then we have our text field. We'll do some styling. We'll add the style so you can see that. We'll make this 2 columns, and then we'll make it light blue, and save. You'll notice here how the heading and the subheading text does not go into the column. Just duplicate that so you can see that it maintains its duplicate, and we'll just change something in here so it looks different. I think I'll add an image. Let's use this one. Insert. And I'm going to edit this. We're going to make this, I'm going to make it centered, but I'm going to do it the large. Save. And then it's going to be gray. And then let's make this one 3 columns. And I'll save. there's a lot of flexibility with this block element. Again, you don't have to use the background color, you don't have to use the heading, you don't have to use the subhead. If you just want to be able to maintain your content within a block, then I would use the text block element over the formatted text. If you have any questions, please contact websupport@sdstate.edu.